Life feels more chaotic than ever. But 2,000 years ago, the Stoics faced war, plagues, and corruption, and still built unshakable minds. Here are 7 Stoic truths about power, freedom, and control, lessons America needs today. 1. Control versus no control. Epictetus taught that freedom begins the moment you stop trying to control what you never could. You cannot control politics, the economy, or social media trends, but you can always control your choices and your response. 2. The power of self-discipline. Marcus Aurelius wrote that true power is self-control, not control over others. Discipline makes you stronger than any external authority because it gives you mastery over yourself. 3. The illusion of freedom. Epictetus was born a slave, yet he showed that inner freedom is greater than outer freedom. This truth inspired leaders centuries later, including America's founding fathers, who studied Stoic philosophy when shaping ideas of liberty. 4. Time is the only true wealth. Seneca warned, "It is not that we have a short life, but that we waste much of it." Money can be regained, but time never returns. Every hour you waste is gone forever. Every hour you use with purpose becomes eternal. 5. Strength in adversity. For the Stoics, obstacles were not enemies, they were teachers. Every hardship was training for the mind. This is why modern thinkers call it, the obstacle is the way. Challenges are not blocking your path, they are the path. 6. Remember death, memento mori. The Stoics meditated on death not to feel fear, but to feel urgency. When you remember that life is short, you stop postponing, you speak the truth, you live with courage, you focus on what matters most. 7. Transform emotions into strength. The Stoics never killed emotions, they transformed them. Fear became caution, anger became justice, pain became endurance. Every emotion was energy that could be shaped into something powerful. The world will always be chaos, but your mind can be unshakable. Build your own mind armor, and let Stoic wisdom be your shield. Subscribe now and never stop growing stronger.